Come test drive the 2023 Sierra 1500. The GMC Sierra is a full-size pickup with all the functionality you could expect. With multiple trim levels, the GMC Sierra provides a wide range of features for you to enjoy. Power and advanced technology can both be found in this fantastic truck. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, steering wheel audio controls, air conditioning, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, power door locks, power windows. Your new ride is just a phone call away.